Hey everyone, welcome to New MVP Auto, the ultimate review of the 2025 BMW M4, a car that continues to define a high-performance coupe segment. With its aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, the M4 is a masterpiece of German engineering. Under the hood, the 2025 M4 hums with the familiar 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbocharged engine, but this year it has been tuned to deliver up to 550 horsepower in the competition model. Power delivery is precise, with the standard 6-speed manual gearbox offering a pure driving experience, while the optional 8-speed automatic ensures seamless performance for those who prefer convenience. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, but the xDrive all-wheel drive system provides extra traction for enthusiasts who demand year-round capability. The exterior design combines sharp edges with muscular proportions. The front grille, while controversial when first introduced, has been refined for 2025, featuring slimmer vertical kidney slats that blend better with the aggressive LED headlights. The aerodynamic tweaks, including a carbon fiber roof and active rear diffuser, aren't just for show. They optimize airflow and enhance stability at high speeds. Inside, the M4 offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials. The curved dual-display setup seamlessly integrates a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. BMW's iDrive 8.5 system is faster and more intuitive, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Sports seats with bolstered support, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting give the cabin a modern yet sporty vibe. On the road, the M4 delivers an unrivaled balance of comfort and performance. The adaptive M suspension adjusts effortlessly to road conditions, while the precise steering and well-tuned chassis make cornering a joy. In its sportiest settings, the M4 feels razor-sharp, with lightning-fast acceleration and confidence-inspiring braking. For 2025, BMW has also enhanced the exhaust note, giving the car a more visceral soundtrack to match its thrilling dynamics. For those seeking exclusivity, BMW offers the limited edition M4 CS model. This version features additional weight-saving measures, unique exterior finishes, and an even more track-oriented setup. It's a true collector's car for those who want the ultimate M4 experience. The 2025 BMW M4 is not just a car, it's a statement. It blends everyday usability with track-ready performance, making it one of the most versatile and exciting sports coupes on the market. Whether you're a purist or a modern enthusiast, the M4 delivers a driving experience that is hard to match.